Welcome to Bexley Maths Test 2 Exam Papers Plus. This video will cover questions 13 onwards. So first thing, make sure you turn me up. The microphone is in front of me. The volume is very good. Make sure you turn me up. It should be very, very clear. Here we go. Question 13. 2 zods are the same as 3 zids and 1 zid is the same as 6 zads. How many zads is the same as 1 zod? Oh gosh. You see these, I'm just going to change the letters. 2a is equal to 3b. That's what I'm going to write there. Then this bit, 1a, 1b is 6. Oh, they're different things. Oh yeah. Okay, right, 1b. Zod, zid, and zad. Right, okay. 6c. Okay, there we go. And now how many zads in a zod? So really, that is like how many C is in A. There we go. Okay, let's look at this bit. Can you see with both sentences? That's the thing that's in common. So 1b is equal to 6c. So 3b is equal to how many? 18c. Now, can you see, because they're the same, this line and that line are the same. That is that. So what is William trying to say? Well, can you see they're both equal to 3b? So that means on the left, 2a is equal to 18c. Okay, well, so what? So what? Well, really, every time you see this kind of question, you need to make sure they're both, you should divide both by 2. So 1a is equal to 9c. And look at the question is how many c's? How many c's are in A? So there we go. 1a is equal to 9c. Done. A is the answer. Question 14. Let me just position myself a bit better. Question 14. What is 0.54 as a fraction in its simplest form? Every time you see 0.54, get it into a fraction. Now, what is the first fraction it equals? 54 over 100. No way will that be there. We have to simplify this. Now, look at both top and bottom. What times table are they in? Now, they're both even. So, let's divide both top and bottom by 2. 54 divide 2 is equal to 27. 100 divide 2 is equal to 50. There we go. 27 over 50. That is the answer. Done. C is the option. Be careful, it is not A. The reason is 54 divided by 10. How do we do that properly? When you divide by 10, the decimal point is on the far right. When we divide by 10, we just need to move it back one place. So that would be 5.4. You see option B, 27 divide 2. If you guys are not sure, that's okay. Just write it with me. We're just going to do it normally. 27 divide 2. Just normal short division here in blue. 2 divide 2 is 1. How many 2's will fit into 7? 3 remainder 1. Put it there. And how many 2's will fit into 10? 13.5. Now that one, 27 divide 5, let's do short division together. I'm going through the options just to make the video useful for you. I can quickly move on to the question. Next question, not here. Why is William putting 0.0 there? Because when we divide by a number, we want it to be exact. 27 divide 5. How many 5's it fit into 2? Nothing. How many 5's fit into 27? 5, remainder 2. And then how many 5's fit into 24? 5.4. And then 3 divide 7. It won't fit in exactly. It's a recurring decimal. I'm not going to do that. C is the answer. Question 15. Peter is going to redraw the parallelogram, but double the length of the side. Fair enough. You see the top length, it is 3, so that's going to be 6 now. That side is 2, so it's going to be 4. That's okay. Normal kind of question. If Peter draws vertex A, that means the corner at 2, 8. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that up here, 2, 8. What will be the coordinates of vertex B? Yeah, fair comment. The top is 3. We know it will be 6. We are doubling each side. Let's quickly draw that. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. You know I'm yawning because it's a little bit late. Was it 10:30 in the evening, Friday, the 26th of July, 2024? Here we go. Now we go down. You see that length? That's 2. So we double, mate. We double. So it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've drawn that correctly. Let's put that in a different color, red. Just make it stand out, man. Let's just make it stand out. You see the bottom? Blue. 3, 6. 1, 2. I hope I've drawn it right. Right. 3, 6. Good stuff. So there we go. It's a normal kind of question. So 10, 4. You can put in the final line if you want. Complete the shape. That's the length of 2. That's the length of 4. Good. Good. So here, that's your coordinate. Now, how do we tell coordinates? We go along and then we go up. 10, 4. A is the answer. Good stuff. Question 16. Which one of the following has the highest calculation? Now, with these, we can go in order. We check 2 options at a time, and then we keep crossing off the option that is too small. All we care about is going for the highest value. A, 30 times 100, easy question to start with, it is 3,000. B, 0.3 divides 0.01. Now, if you're not certain how to divide decimals, this is a good way to do it. Let's get rid of the decimal on the bottom. How do we do that? We times by 100. Why? Because we're moving it just 2 places to the right. So we times top and bottom by 100. Let's do that here. Dun dun. 30 over, and the bottom is 1. So that is equal to 30. Notice all we care about is the biggest one. So which one do we cross off so far? A or B? B. If we think about this in terms of money, you see the bottom number. That is 1 penny. Okay, so what? The top, how much is that? That is 30 pennies. It's 30p. So really this question has become, how many pennies will fit into 30p? That is 30. C, 300 times 10 is 3,000. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh. So really we're saying if A and C are the same, neither of them can be the answer. Examiners love throwing this trick in. Fascinating. Now we do the bottom one. Now that looks like a really, really big number. 0.03 divide by 0. Oh my goodness, dun dun dun, 1. It just looks like such a small amount fitting into that amount. Now how do we get rid of all the zeros? We need to times. We need to times top and bottom by 1, 2, 3, 4. A number with 4 zeros, that is 10,000. Do the same up top. 1, 2, that's timesing by 100, and now times by 100 again. So the top will be 300. Okay. 300 over what? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 300 over 1. Okay, so the answer is 300. Oh, you're joking. We know it can't be 3,000. They've given us a hidden clue. It might not be 300. I bet it's the last one because we're going to pick 300 anyway because A and C are the same answer. Fascinating question. As you can tell by the tone of my voice, it's the first time I've seen this question. Let's quickly do the bottom one, even though you don't need to. In the real exam, you need to just put it and move on. Now here, how do we divide by a decimal? 30 divide 0.001. How do we do that? Well, you see the bottom, we need to move that decimal to the far end. 1, 2, 3. We're timesing by a number with 3 zeros. That means we times by 1,000. Let me get rid of all this. If you need to just re-watch this, it's fine. Just go back 30 seconds and then it should be there. Let me just write a bit clearly. Give myself a bit more space. 30 divides 0.001. We are timesing top and bottom by 1,000 because we need to get rid of the decimal on the bottom. Why are we doing that? Because we want to make the numbers whole and it is easier to deal with. Let's just hop. 1, 2, 3. We're moving 3 places to the right. We do the same thing here. 30. We're timesing by 1,000 is 30,000. 3 and 4 zeros. Let me squeeze that in the screen there. 30,000 and the bottom is just 1. Of course it's 1 because we've moved it all the way to the end and then 1's left. So 30,000 divided 1 is still 30,000. There we go. E is the answer. Nice. We are 10 minutes in. Good stuff. Time to stop the video right here, right now. So you want to keep learning on this channel. In the top left corner, it will be the previous video. That's how these long maths videos are going, just in case you guys haven't watched it. The next video will be coming soon. Okay, let's finish it off, guys. Top corner as usual. Let's make this side dark grey. Will be the previous maths video, Bexley Test 2, and bottom left corner will be another suitable video. You want to keep learning on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's just a short 10 minutes. We're done. I'll see you later.